And it's September, mid-September, and I'm up at the viewpoint over the city, the Gilnahirk Viewpoint. Oh, it's a lovely day. Let's pan in and see what we can see. And there's the Stena. Looking good. But let's see what else is in here. And this is the Regal Princess. 3,600 passengers, 1,500 crew. It just looks enormous, and it's parked well out of the docks because its position, normal position away in here, has been taken up by other boats. Maybe they double booked or something, I just don't know. But this is the Regal Princess. Unbelievable in size. Built in Italy, the port of Trieste, which is just massive. Sister ship to the Regal Princess. Oop. There you are now. Big boat.